In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 benefits of turmeric. So, before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for your future updates. Numerous high-quality research has demonstrated that turmeric provides significant health advantages for both the body and the brain. Many of these advantages are attributed to curcumin, the primary active component in turmeric. Turmeric is the spice responsible for the yellow color of curry sauce. It has been used as a spice and a medicinal herb in India for thousands of years, and it is still popular today. The traditional idea that turmeric includes chemicals with therapeutic potential has just begun to be backed up by scientific evidence. Curcuminoids are the names given to these substances. Curcumin is the most significant of them. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is the primary active component. It has potential anti-inflammatory properties as well as being an extremely powerful antioxidant. Here are the top 10 benefits of turmeric, so let's start. Number 10. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds with medicinal properties. Turmeric, on the other hand, does not have a high curcumin level. By weight, it amounts to roughly 3%. The majority of trials on this herb use turmeric preparations that are mainly curcumin, with daily doses typically exceeding 1 gram. It would be quite difficult to achieve these levels solely by the consumption of turmeric as a spice. This is why some people prefer to take supplements. Curcumin, on the other hand, is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream. Curcumin's bioavailability, the rate at which your body absorbs a substance, must improve in order to reap its full benefits. Consuming it with black pepper, which contains piperine, is beneficial. Piperine is a natural compound that boosts curcumin absorption by 2,000%. In reality, piperine is found in the greatest curcumin supplements, making them much more effective. Curcumin is also fat-soluble, meaning it dissolves and breaks down in fat or oil. As a result, taking curcumin pills with a high-fat diet may be beneficial. Number 9. Curcumin is a natural and anti-inflammatory compound. The importance of inflammation cannot be overstated. It aids in the battle against foreign invaders and aids in the restoration of bodily damage. While acute, short-term inflammation is good. It can become a problem if it becomes persistent and assaults your own tissues. Chronic low-level inflammation is now thought to play a role in a variety of health disorders and diseases, according to scientists. As a result, anything that might help reduce chronic inflammation has the potential to help prevent and treat these diseases. While there is likely no simple answer to the question of inflammation, the main point of curcumin is that it is a bioactive chemical that can fight inflammation. To get therapeutic results, however, extremely high doses are required. Number 8. Turmeric can increase the antioxidant capacity of the body. One of the factors underlying aging in many diseases is oxidative damage. Free radicals, highly reactive molecules with unpaired electrons, are involved. Free radicals are known to react with essential chemical compounds such as fatty acids, proteins, and DNA. Antioxidants protect your body from free radicals, which is why they are so important. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant with a molecular composition that can destroy free radicals. Curcumin may also inhibit the action of free radicals while stimulating the action of other antioxidants. According to animal and cellular studies, more human clinical trials are needed to confirm these advantages. Number 7. Curcumin can boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Before scientists had a better grasp of neurons, it was thought that they couldn't divide and multiply past the age of adolescence. They now know, however, that this is not the case. Neurons have the ability to make new connections, and they can expand and grow in quantity in some areas of the brain. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor is one of the key drivers of this process, BDNF. This is a gene that is involved in the production of a protein that helps neurons live longer. The BDNF protein is present in parts of the brain that control eating, drinking, and body weight, and it plays a function in memory and learning. Decreased levels of BDNF protein have been related to a variety of common brain illnesses, including depression and Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin has been shown in animal experiments to enhance BDNF levels in the brain. It may be possible to prevent or even reverse many brain disorders and age-related declines in brain function by doing so. Even so, because these studies were conducted on animals, it's difficult to understand what the findings signify for humans. Given its impact on BDNF levels, it may also aid in memory and attention enhancement. More research is needed to corroborate this, though. Number 6. Curcumin may lower your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. Researchers have been studying it for decades and have learned a great deal about why it occurs. Heart disease is, unsurprisingly, quite complicated, and a variety of factors play a role in its development. Curcumin may aid in the reversal of a number of stages in the heart disease process. Curcumin's key benefit in terms of heart disease is that it improves the function of the endothelium, which lines your blood vessels. Endothelial dysfunction is a key cause of cardiovascular disease. When your endothelium is unable to manage blood pressure, blood clotting, and other factors, this is known as hypertension. Curcumin has been shown in several studies to promote heart function, and one study even indicated that it is as beneficial as exercise in postmenopausal women. Curcumin can also help reduce inflammation and oxidation, as mentioned above, all of which can contribute to heart disease. Researchers gave 121 participants undergoing coronary artery bypass surgery either a placebo or 4 grams of curcumin per day for a few days before and after the surgery in one study. In the hospital, the curcumin group had a 65% lower risk of having a heart attack. Number 5. Turmeric may help prevent cancer. Cancer is a disorder in which cells grow out of control. Curcumin supplements appear to have an effect on many different types of cancer. Curcumin has been explored as a cancer treatment herb and has been discovered to inhibit cancer growth and development. It has been found in studies to help malignant cells die, inhibit angiogenesis, and minimize metastasis. It is yet to be determined whether high-dose curcumin, preferably with an absorption enhancer with piperine, can help treat cancer in humans. However, there is evidence that it may help to prevent cancer in the first place, particularly tumors of the digestive system such as colorectal cancer. 4 grams of curcumin per day reduced the number of lesions in 44 men with lesions in the colon that can turn malignant by 40% in a 30-day study. Number 4. Curcumin may be useful in treating Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the most common type of dementia, accounting for up to 70% of all cases. While there are treatments available for some of the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease, there is yet no cure. That is why it is critical to prevent it from happening in the first place. Curcumin has been demonstrated to pass the blood-brain barrier, so there may be some good news on the way. Inflammation and oxidative damage are known to have a role in Alzheimer's disease, and curcumin possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The development of protein tangles known as amyloid plaques is also a crucial hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin has been shown in studies to aid in the removal of these plaques. Curcumin's ability to reduce or perhaps reverse the progression of Alzheimer's disease in people is unknown at this time, and further research is needed. Number 3. Arthritis patients respond well to curcumin supplements. Arthritis is a frequent health concern in Western countries, particularly in the elderly. Arthritis can manifest itself in a variety of ways, the most of which are characterized by joint inflammation. Given that curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory substance, it stands to reason that it could be beneficial for arthritis patients. In reality, multiple research has demonstrated that there is a link between the two. Curcumin was found to be even more efficient than an anti-inflammatory medicine in a trial conducted on persons suffering from rheumatoid arthritis. There have been a number of other studies that have looked into the benefits of curcumin on arthritis and found that it can help with a variety of symptoms. Number 2. Curcumin has benefits against depression. Curcumin has demonstrated to be effective in the treatment of depression. In a randomized controlled experiment, 60 depressed persons were divided into 3 groups. Prozac was given to one group, 1 gram of curcumin to another, and both Prozac and curcumin were given to the third group. Curcumin produced results similar to those seen with Prozac after 6 weeks. The group that received both Prozac and curcumin had the best results. Curcumin is equally efficient as an antidepressant, according to one short study. Reduced BDNF levels and a smaller hippocampus, a brain region involved in learning and memory, have also been related to depression. Curcumin can assist to increase BDNF levels, which could help to reverse some of these alterations. Curcumin has also been shown to increase the levels of the brain neurotransmitters serotonin and dopamine. Number 1. Curcumin may help delay aging and fight age-related chronic diseases. If curcumin may indeed help prevent heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease, it may also help people live longer. This shows that curcumin would be useful as a supplement for anti-aging. Given that oxidation and inflammation are thought to play a role in aging, Curcumin could have far-reaching benefits beyond disease prevention. What do you think of our list? Which things do you like from the above list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.